guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And I'll bring you up to speed real quick. We're rebuilding a 1999 Terry Fleetwood camper that's 27 foot long, and it was severely water damaged. If you go back and watch some of our earlier videos, you'll see how far we've came and the progress we've made. This week, we're working on the drawers and the cabinets and some other miscellaneous items. Here you can see me trying to figure out how to use a clamp, and maybe I can figure it out. Looks like I finally got it figured out. So we're going to clamp up this drawer where it's separating, the veneer is peeling off the side. We put a little wood glue in there, or Elmer's glue actually, and we used a tongue depressor, a popsicle stick, stirring stick there to put on it to help pull that side in. I get another clamp here and put it on there. This drawer, as you can see, is sort of cut at a funny angle. That's so when you shut it, it goes under the sink. That's to clear the bowl of the sink. So we get this clamped up, let it sit overnight. It actually ends up being a couple of days. Next, we remove the hinges, the door handles, and the little door catches. So let's fast forward through this. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Now that all the hardware's been removed, it's time for some good old sanding. We sand the front and the back of all the doors, and we sand the drawers too. We hand sand with 120 grit sandpaper in these grooves, and then on the flat surfaces we're able to use our orbital sander, which makes pretty quick work of it. So let's fast forward this, because you all know about sanding. We're going to paint the hinges for the cabinets. I'm going to use this semi-gloss Bonds of Plastic Metals and More to paint the hinges. Semi-gloss black. We'll see what it looks like. If we don't like it, we may have to repaint it. But I just hung the handles here. This is a magnet. Hung them there. Put all my screws out so I can paint the heads. We'll paint the backs of all these. Let them dry, then flip over and paint the other side. So let's see what it looks like. I did sand these down a little bit. Let's let that dry for a little bit. All right, let's put a second coat on. I should say second coat. Let's coat the other side. The main part you're going to see on these is just this hinge. Alright, we'll let that sit overnight. So here's a clip of the cabinets, the framing with the first coat of paint on it. It's about this time we started having some camera issues, so we don't have a lot of video of us actually painting the cabinet. It didn't come out. So you're probably saying, oh, that's awesome, because who wants to sit around and watch paint dry on a YouTube video? So, but this is what it looks like with the first coat on, and I think we ended up putting 3 coats on to cover them. Alright, my next project is I'm going to clean out under these cabinets, and I'm going to paint those shelves. And I'm going to do the same thing up here. I'm going to clean out these cabinets, which are pretty clean, and then I'm going to paint. Then I'm going to paint all of that in there. Kelly's painting cabinets. They're looking pretty good. Making progress. Making progress. How's it going, cabinet painter? After 26 coats per door, we've got 2 doors done, and we've got a bunch down there to do, a bunch over there to do. So we're expecting sometime by 2021, 2022 to have them done. While Kelly's finishing up painting the cabinet doors, I decided to go ahead and install our under cabinet lights. What I did was, they're peel and stick, just peeled them and stuck them. But I plugged it in here, and then I drilled a hole and ran the cord back along the back. I'm going to end up making that a little neater. And then the switch is mounted right there. You just click it, and if you click and hold it, they get dim or bright. So I think they look really good. Above stove, right. Above stove, right. Okay. Oh, come on. Battery died. One final thing to do. Time to install these. Probably replace that switch. Guys, the cabinets are done. Got to do a little adjustments on them. This one here doesn't really want to stay shut. We had that problem before we redid it, but the door sort of warped. So I'm gonna fix that. Here we go. Get a good look at it. Painted on the inside. Here we put a shelf up. If you'll remember the old shelf, the shelf goes all the way back through there. New faucet. Sink's been cleaned up. Countertop's been redone. We still got to put our backsplash. We're not sure what we're going to do here. We bought some stuff, just didn't like the way it looked, so got rid of that. So we got the new light. We got cabinet lights underneath here. The cabinet lights, I gotta hide the cord better. But the switch for the cabinet lights are back there. So you can hold them and they get dimmer or brighter. So there it is.